Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your reading Scorpios. For your general energy Scorpios, we are picking few cards guys. If you are interested to watch a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy Scorpios. So these are the cards. These cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship Scorpios. So we have 7 of stars, 7 of moons and 5 of moons in reverse. So in your situation today guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, you are having a family reunion maybe or a get together in your work. So you are going out for a party, spending time with friends or family, having a good time guys, and you are making some plans for your future. Maybe you are discussing your what to say, what you need to do. Maybe you want their suggestions on certain things, maybe about your life or about your career situation. So you are asking their views or suggestions on certain things, and you are a person who listens to other people's what to say suggestions on certain things, maybe when you are making some important decisions. So you are making those plans, those important plans for your future, or maybe you're discussing this relationship with them. Or maybe for some of you, you have some dreams that you need to achieve and you feel those are impossible dreams for you, and the ways to achieve them. You want to know the clear path, and you are maybe discussing about that to your friends or to your family. So whatever is the right plan of action, you want to know that, and you are having that clear thought, that clear head. So you want people's suggestions to proceed in that positive way in your situation guys. And maybe for some of you, you have that strength and determination, and you are maybe waiting to come to a decision about something. So you are taking other suggestions to come to that proper, that correct decision guys. So that is what I see. It may be something regarding your work, or it may be something about this love. So you are making your plans, you are working towards those impossible dreams Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards guys. If you want a more detailed love reading Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now guys. For your love reading guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So today we have this card, the first card, and this is your second card. So any questions or doubts you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it and choose the card. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds in silence. Open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence with the first card guys. Okay guys, so I'll be starting with this card, the first card. So let's keep this card here. We will see what is the card. It's obsidian. It is a crystal spirits oracle card guys. So this card just means that this crystal, it stands for knowing yourself. So we have to know ourselves first if you want to lead a meaningful life or have a meaningful connection. So, are we all ready to learn from whatever we have experienced in our past? Maybe through those experiences we have learned so much, and we are always changing. Our behavior is changing, so we are a mix of the past, from that experience whatever we have learned, and present whatever we are going through today. And we have so many hopes and dreams for our future, so we are a mix of our past, present and future. So today what is right in front of us is that challenge to have that trust on ourselves first. So when we have that love for ourselves, we will know what we are, what are our strengths, what are our weakness, and we will understand ourselves first. Only when we understand ourselves, we will be able to understand the other person with whom we are in connection, guys. So we have to start with that self-awareness today. When we do that, we will know that qualities that we are searching for in a partner. Maybe do we have all those qualities? Maybe it has stopped existing in us. So we have to go for that clear knowledge of ourselves first. So this oracle card here is just a reminder that we are great just as we are, and we have to feel happy for what we are today, comfortable and confident in our own self, in our own qualities. That way we will be happy when we see those qualities in others, or we will feel happy for that person however they are. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. It says, you who show the way. So with this card, it is an Rumi oracle card, guys. It just means that the appearance of this card itself, it is a sign telling us it is right now very difficult for us to understand our situation. No matter how hard we try to solve the problems we have, it is not getting resolved. So today the energy with this card is that, according to that grace of that higher power or universe, whatever you call it, you have to just be a witness to your situation. So you need not put in any efforts or try to resolve your situation. Things will fall into place automatically for you guys, because that divine guidance or that divine direction is there in your situation, and that resolution will happen by itself, and you will not know until it becomes a fact, but it is happening, it is in the process. So you need not worry, guys. So right now you feel something is impossible to resolve. You need not worry, because the divine power or the higher power is having it covered. So everything will be alright, guys. That is the message with this card. You just have to have that faith and hope in your situation. So when you have that faith and hope, that new dawn is here now, breaking for you right now, guys, very soon. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.